Hello, Tyler here with SSA Architecture, small studio associates, licensed architects in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the surrounding area, including California and Arizona. When looking to cool or heat a space, there are a great number of systems and technologies that can be used. This video will cover one of those options, a ductless mini-split system. So what is a ductless mini-split? A ductless mini-split is a heating and cooling system that doesn't require ducts to heat or cool the air. Ductless mini-splits are useful for some renovations and add-ons to existing spaces, where space for ducts is sometimes unavailable. They are also useful when you have varying heating and cooling loads in certain areas of a space. And also there may be energy savings to be had when choosing a mini-split system. But how do ductless mini-splits work? A ductless mini-split is made up of two main parts, one or more indoor handling units and an outdoor compressor. The indoor units are directly connected to the outdoor compressor via refrigerant lines instead of air ducts. In addition to refrigerant tubing, the indoor unit is also connected to the outdoor units by a power cable, suction tubing, and/or condensate drain lines. The indoor unit is usually suspended from the ceiling or mounted high on the wall. There are alternatives to the wall-mounted units, such as floor-mounted units and ceiling cassettes for drop ceilings. The multiple indoor units can be independently controlled. However, they all use the same outdoor heat pump unit to either absorb or dispense heat. This is a departure from the standard ducted central air system, which sends air from the indoor air handling unit through a series of ducts, which carry the air into your room. A typical duct system may lose around 20 to 30% of conditioned air through gaps and cracks in ductwork, while a mini-split system does not. When you have multiple indoor air handling units, each unit is assigned to a specific area, zone, or room. With some mini-split systems, you can have up to 8 air handling units connected to one outdoor unit. Since these zones are independently controlled, any zone that is unoccupied can be kept at a more precise or energy-efficient temperature, which can decrease your heating and cooling costs dramatically. This also provides the benefit of having different people's preferred temperature in different areas, allowing for the boss to maintain their freezing cold office while the secretary just one room over can keep their space warm. Mini-split systems can provide both heating and cooling using heat pumps under Las Vegas conditions. While furnaces generate heat, heat pumps use existing heat energy that can be found in the air using refrigerant. So while traditional AC units work by removing heat from your indoor space and transferring it to your outdoor condenser unit, a heat pump essentially works in reverse and removes heat from the outdoor environment and transfers it to the indoor environment. It uses extremely cold refrigerant to absorb heat from the outdoor environment. Since the refrigerant is even colder than the outdoor air, heat energy can be absorbed since heat naturally flows from a warmer body to a colder body. This means that a heat pump can absorb heat even when it's extremely cold outside, as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. However, be warned that the colder it is outside, the harder your heat pump will have to work. So therefore, maintaining a comfortable temperature can become challenging when the outside temperature drops below freezing. However, in mild climates like Las Vegas, this isn't a major concern. There are some disadvantages of a mini-split system, such as that they typically have a higher first cost than ducted systems. Since the systems are more costly and less common, the parts may not be readily available when you are in need of repairs, so there may be a delay in servicing your mini-split system. When speaking of service, a mini-split system is also, generally speaking, newer technology, and HVAC technicians are more apprehensive when working with technology that is less common to them, meaning it may be harder to find a technician that will work on your system. Additionally, when humid or it is installed in a humid environment, the system may leak water as the condensate lines become overfilled. Though this is more of an inconvenience than a full-blown issue with the system. There are also some advantages to mini-split systems, such as that they generally have a small size and footprint. Most are under the 400-pound threshold, which means there is no structural engineering design required if it is being mounted on the roof. They are easy to install and have flexibility and convenience when doing so, as you don't have to worry about duct placement, and they can be placed in tight areas between floors and walls, or they can be placed in attic spaces. They also offer flexibility and convenience after installation, as you can use the different temperature zones to keep different people happy in different parts of the space. Many mini-split systems also offer remote control as an option for further convenience. Mini-splits often save energy and money as the heating and cooling is a more controlled process. On top of that, generally the seasonal energy efficiency ratio, or SEER, on a mini-split system is higher than that of a typical HVAC unit, meaning that it takes less energy to operate, thus lowering your electric bill. Additionally, on average, mini-splits have longer lifespans and can save you money for a longer time as a result. Hopefully this video has provided you with useful information pertaining to mini-split systems. If you have questions or are looking for an architect to help you decide if a mini-split is needed for your project, feel free to call us at 702-873-1718 and schedule a free consultation. Otherwise, you can check out our website's frequently asked questions page over at smallstudioassociates.com. As always, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.